Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how to access the discussion board and the journal in case you're having trouble. So you can either go through the modules, so every week everything's organized within there inside of your assignments folder. So you can click right here on discussion board and it'll take you right to it, or you can click on journal and it'll take you there as well. If you want to start just from getting into the class and going right to those things, the collaboration tab will take you to the same place. So there is the discussion board and there is the journal. So for discussion board, you go to the one you're looking for. So this is the first one. And then you click create thread, and that will be where you can type in your responses and then you will submit it. And then once you've posted, you'll be able to see other people's posts and read them and respond. And then for the journal, once you get in there, go to the one you're looking for and you'll click create journal entry. And again, that will give you a text box that you can type your response into and then submit it, and that will turn it in.